Hi, welcome back to the farm. We appreciate you being here. As you can see on today's vlog, Sean's taking down the old hoop house that he put up back this fall and getting ready to move it all over to the baby's new grass. And I thought we'd bring you along for today's adventure. By the way, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. He says, Daddy, it's a game, it's a game.
Oh, don't eat that. That's a worm.
He's like, what, Dad? It's protein. It's a little protein.
You know where you love these things. Want that?
A little warmer today. At least the sun's out more today. Got some blue skies. Good Mother's Day. Babe, did you see? Look at your plastic.
Looks good. Maybe a little more plastic. Take the plastic section. Really covers the ground.
Quit looking for four-leaf clovers.
Oh, guys, I'm missing my nose.
Come on. Come on.
My nose. Looking for anything. You jump out at me. I don't look. No.
You like that?
Yes. Working clean. Sorry, ladies. But it's for the better good. Of chicken.
The better for the betterment. Ooh, for the betterment of chicken kind.
Brakes, intersection. Didn't see any kind of signage on that.
Round Chicken combat. Round 2. Till we had 90s babies. Go He-Man. You could tell we was 80s babies.
Time to get changed.
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay. Thanks, Arnold.
Time to put tires on.
Time to put tires on? Okay.
Huh?
What happened?
Well, kind of missed the hole before, so I knocked the board off. So we had to make a quick impromptu repair.
Oh, I love you for taking the blame. I missed the hole. I didn't realize there was 2 sets in there. But you know what, babe? Thinking back, you know, we've modified this, what, twice now, right? With the wheels. So that makes sense. There's the 2 holes because the first setup we did, or you did.
Always us.
Well, I learned something today. I'm sorry. It caused a broken 2x4.
It's good. All good.
All good?
Okay.
You fixed or you repaired it?
Trying to throw my nut.
You're so bad. They're like, what is going on? What are y'all doing? You don't say.
Got my lazy adjusters.
Your lazy adjusters?
Yeah, fits everything. Not going too tight, so lazy for inside.
What now?
Huh?
What'd you say? Wait a minute, I'm coming. What'd you say? Is your lazy adjuster what?
Most people call them pliers.
Yeah.
Call them the lazy man's adjusting tool.
Yeah.
Because it fits all sizes as long as you're not going too tight. Because I'm too damn lazy to go in the garage and get the right tool. Yeah, it works. Done.
God bless.
Fit another one. Perfect. Make it small again.
Problem solved.
Ooh.
What's up, widow?
Alright guys, good for the ride. You staying inside?
What's up?
You can give me some eggs? Probably gonna scare the eggs out of you. You ready? Okay.
I don't know, I gave him some of that black fly larvae. Good stuff. We'll see. Maybe they'll do better under the stress this time of the move. Not that they really do bad anyway, but... You stuck?
Just trying to get that.
Oh, I got you. Oh! Smoke was like, I'm out. Yeah, go on, big girl. No, you're gonna hit the post again, look. Yeah, you passed. Dang, that's wrong. Watch that big old hole. Evaluating the situation, ladies and gentlemen. The ladies decide to add just a few more pounds to the situation. Oh, you're bowl bugger. Yeah, every time. She thinks my track is sexy. Nice. Yeah, nice. Clear, let's move some fence, yeah? That is our hen. Acting like a darn rooster, crowing like a darn rooster. Heard about it, read about it, have never witnessed it until today. Hi, girl, what are you doing? That was Widow. Let's see, some of the most common reasons why hens will start to crow is, well, either it's their breed, because the long crower actually produces hens that crow like roosters. The other reason would be that they're asserting the pecking order because there is not a rooster within the flock. Now, Widow here has been raised with a rooster her whole entire life until just this past winter, and she has been kind of head hen in charge since then. We could assume that she would be crowing because of this reason. Now, another reason is because of disease or damage to the ovary, and she doesn't really have any external damages. Disease, really no visible signs. She gets a great diet, but another reason is aging. As they age, the ovaries don't work quite as well. There becomes a hormone imbalance, and they just crow. So how do you alleviate this issue? Well, you could remove your hen from the flock for a while. You could get a rooster. You could introduce some new hens, or you could do just like we're doing and love her, because our egg layers, after all, are also our pets. Well, as you can see, they did get moved. Didn't end up recording the whole thing because my phone had to charge, so I do apologize. Here's where they were. Now they have all this green grass. They have all the way up until now basically shade just from the tree alone. Sean is gonna set their new little hoop shade weather lean-to like he did over there for the giants. He's gonna put that up right here, so that'll be more under the tree. And since you can see the sun, maybe if I can, it's right there, sets back there. So this way their coop will allow them evening shade along with their little hoop house. Love and life. Happy, happy hens. Even though one of them's trying to turn into a rooster, they're happy, happy hens.
They seem to like their new area. Cautious nest. Think lady's got a new patch of real estate.
Beautiful Mother's Day afternoon while Sean finished up the now he's chasing chickens. Finished up the lean-to over here, hoop house, I guess. He's just giving some scratch out to the ladies. Looks good. Oh yeah. We'll have plenty of shade. Plenty of rain cover if it rains. Oh my goodness, you don't say. Looks awesome, babe.
Huh?
Looks awesome.
So you trying to catch the chicken?
Yeah. Chicken chaser, Wonder Woman. She needs to get back in the coop. She's one of the ones getting her wings clipped. Yummy, 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 yummy. So we got jerseys, tweens, Meat birds are in the garage in the brooder currently. They're going out on grass here next few days. And now we got our mixed flock layers. And then we'll have garden. Well, that's it for
There we go, block in the shade.
That's it for today's video. We hope that you enjoyed it. If these are videos that you like, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to ring the bell to be notified.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Until next time,
Have a great day.
have a great day.
See ya.